Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to find the model and serials number on your TOSHIBA Smart TV. Okay, to find the model and serial you need to check out on the back of your TV. Okay, on the back side of your TV you will see the nameplate here, and let's see close to it. You can see the model's number, power supply. Okay, so you can see this TV's model's number 32L5650VE, and the power supply of it 100 to 220 volt with 50 or 60 Hz, 65 watt. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can find the model's number on your TOSHIBA Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.